How to fix WhatsApp status not showing problem. For that, first of all, launch your WhatsApp application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then, on the bottom right corner, you will see setting gear icon. Simply hit on that. Once you hit on that, you will see this interface. From here, choose chats and make sure that your chat backup is turned on. Once you check this, go through your settings on your device. From here, scroll down there you'll see general option. Tap on it. Now tap on iPhone storage and search for WhatsApp application. Here you will see two options, that is offload app and delete app. Among these two, select offload app and do offload your app. Once you do that, reinstall your application again and then your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.